So in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit text in an image in Canva. So I got this image right here. Okay, I'm going to show you how to edit this text in this image. Okay, I'm going to resize it to actually fill in all the white spaces here first. Just resize it normally. You can just resize it. Hold Shift down and resize it. Just drag it. Now, to make this text editable, like right now, I cannot edit this text. If I double click, nothing happens. Just asking me to try to move this image. So we can't actually edit this text right now because it's part of this image, but we can easily do it through Canva's AI feature. Now just click on edit, guys, click on edit. Okay, just click on edit and you're going to see a bunch of different options in the Magic Studio, guys. And one option that we need is grab text. Okay, just click on grab text. All right, now we're going to wait for it to analyze our text. So we can either click on text to grab it, or I can make it so it grabs all the text. It'll probably grab this one as well. This TXT file, I could probably change this to PDF as well just to show you. And for now, I'm going to click on all text. So it's going to highlight all the text that is available in our image. And I'm going to click on grab. Now it's going to start extracting our text from our image. It's going to separate the text from this image and make it editable for us, guys. Now, look, if I click here, I can click here and I can edit the text. So if I double click here, change text into images, I can add, let's say I can add how to, and then, text into images, basically. How to text into images. That is what I changed it to. I can also change this. Instead of a TXT, I can change this to a PDF, guys. Literally that easy and simple. And then we can go ahead and download this image. I can just do this, click on share, click on download, right? So it's downloading as a PNG. That is perfectly okay with me. And then, guys, once it is ready, we can download this image. So yeah, PNG is okay with me. I'm going to just click on download and it's going to download immediately here. And then I'm going to open it up and show you guys actually this image. It's literally that easy and simple. You can edit almost any image. I can edit this again into something else. So now it has downloaded and it's going to show up right here very soon. It's going to show up here as downloaded, and I am going to open it up for you guys and show you how it actually looks, the PNG image, guys. I'm going to show you just in a moment. All right, guys, so the image has saved here. So I'm going to open this up in a new tab for you guys. Okay, I am going to do this. Okay, one moment. Whoops, clicked on the wrong thing. I am going to open this in a new tab here in my Chrome. I'll show you the image as it has now downloaded, guys. It's literally that easy and simple. See here, how to text into images, and instead of TXT, I changed that to PDF. Literally that easy and simple, guys. So if this video helps, make sure you hit that like button, comment down your thoughts, and